Is this proof that we never actually landed on the moon? Many point to the fact that there is no blast crater seen under the legs of the lunar module. In the footage available, you can clearly see that there is no landing crater or dust kickup. Even with the lack of gravity, you would think that the weight of the lunar module would still leave some kickup or even an impact crater of some kind.
Eagle has landed.
NASA explained that this is because of the obvious lack of gravity, but also that the moon is a solid rock surface. More evidence to the contrary is this reflection seen in the visor of one of the astronauts. An unexplained object can clearly be seen in the upper portion of the astronaut's eye. Whatever this is, it looks to be hanging from something above. And if you look at photos of the lunar module, it doesn't appear to be anything hanging off the edge. Many people believe that it looks very similar to one of these legs you can see on a movie set. As of now, as far as I know, there's been no explanation yet. And then there's the obvious lack of stars in any of the photos taken on the moon's surface. You would think without the light pollution that we have here on Earth that you'd be seeing billions of stars. You can see Earth, but not one star is visible. There's been many explanations about this, but let me know what you think. Then there's the C model. This photo was taken on the surface of the moon. You can obviously see the letter C on one of the moon rocks. Movie studios often use labels like this on their rocks. NASA's explanation for this is that this was most likely added afterwards, or even as a prank by one of their own. And even with all this evidence, one of the most compelling are these photos showcasing the use of similar backgrounds. In these two photos taken on Apollo 15, two very similar backgrounds appear to be used. NASA claims that these two photos were taken many miles apart, but when you line up these images, the background hills line up perfectly. In one image, you can see the lunar module, and in another image, it's in a completely different spot. NASA's explanation of this is that because the moon is so much smaller than Earth, the horizons can seem much closer to the human eye. Okay, but it's hard to deny that these photos line up perfectly. But let me know what you think.